Hey, good day, everyone. Philip here coming to you. Daily life in the Smokies and Naomi Smoky Mountain Adventures. Today is March the 10th. Oh, March the 11th, 2026. It is a nice warm day, 80 degrees out today. I think it was 82 right before we got out. We've got some strong storms coming in this evening, so we're going to take us a little walk down here to the old mill. This is what we normally do a lot. Usually try to do this a couple times a week when it's a little warm out. I don't like doing it too much when it's cold. But we got Naomi back there poking along, playing on her iPad, doing some kind of teaching mouse game or something.
ABC Mouse.
What is it?
ABC Mouse.
ABC Mouse. So we'll take you guys along for the walk here. Right now we're on the old Mill Street. And we're going to walk the little Pigeon River sidewalk down here. So I'll flip the camera around. So we're walking down Old Mill Street here in Pigeon Forge. They got these new little condos built, overnight rentals. They have quite a few overnight rentals on this road here along the Pigeon River. Got some geese out there in the field. But we always park at the old mill and we walk down to the island. That's usually back and forth, I think, is right around 3 miles. But I'll let you know at the end of the video how far it actually is. Here's the new motel. I guess it got done building. Took them about 2 years to build this one. I think it's the Home Suites or Home 2, something like that. I'll have to get the name of it and let you guys know. As you can tell, Naomi's getting her exercise in. She's walking with her iPad.
ABC Mouse.
Daddy, watch where you're going. You might step and poop.
I might step and poop. I could do that. Do not feed the waterfowl. Well, we won't do that. I didn't bring anything to feed them. But yeah, I apologize if the camera's a little shaky. I don't have my gimbal with me. We drove the wife's new car today. She got a new Nissan Armada, the Nismo version. It's the Lamborghini style. Never thought I'd pay $100,000 for an SUV, but I tell you what, it was worth it until I decided to top the gas tank off for the first time. I went down there to open up the gas cap just in time with the war starting in Iran. Premium fuel only. I was like, oh man, gas is, I think it was $3.29 a gallon. So imagine if this war keeps going, that gas is going to be expensive. Because the last time they had a war over in, was it Iraq? Premium went up to like $6 a gallon. So it's a good thing we have plenty of cars to pick from. So if the gas goes up that much, it'll be sitting in the garage. Save it for vacations or something. Keep the mileage low on it. But I do have a few SUVs I do want to sell. If anybody wants market to buy one, they all got low mileage on them. Got too many cars sitting in the garages. River looks pretty down there. But yeah, we got a lot of trees that are in bloom. There ain't much along the river walk here. But a lot of the pears and cherry trees are bloomed out. Got some old geese up here behind the Food City building. I really hope this camera ain't shaking too bad for y'all. Here's the new motel they got too. This here's really close to the convention center here in Pigeon Forge. The Drury Inn Plaza Hotel. And they got a nice parking garage they added to it. Because you know, when you come to town, lack of parking, especially in Gatlinburg. Still got all the Christmas lights up. I do apologize if the camera's shaky. I'm trying my best to two-hand it here. And I've got 3 gimbals, and I didn't have neither one in that car yet. That's going to be the pool area, indoor pool. I need to come here and shoot a video for you guys for that motel. That's what I need to start doing some videos for the motels here in the area. That way people knows where they want to stay at when y'all come to town. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you want, or leave me a comment. And there's the Bear Crossing Resort. You got it on both sides over here. One's Black Fox is the one on the other side. But you can come down here by the Drury Inn and come down by the convention center and walk down the water path. We got some duckies here. What y'all doing? You getting you an evening stroll in? I don't got anything. And they told me not to feed you, but if I had something, I'd give you something. But there's the convention center. It's big in there. I always like coming for the Jeep invasion. But here's the Riverwalk Greenway maps of all the area. I was talking about things blooming out. I call these Easter lilies, but I know there's a different name for them. Threw my trash away there, my drink. But yeah, look at all these flowers in bloom. Got a few red ones mixed in the mist. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Temperature update, 84 degrees. But yeah, we're supposed to have some severe weather coming in. They said between 8 and 10 to 11 anyway. I just hope we're back to the vehicle before they come, because if not, it'll be kind of hard to walk in that storm. They hold a lot of stuff here at the convention center. One of my favorite ones is the UPC Pentecostal camp meetings they have. Yeah, these flowers are all through here. They done a great job doing that. A lot of work went into this, popping those little pods in the ground. I know they got those hydraulic pod shooters, kind of like a shotgun they go into the ground with. There's the walking bridge from the Holiday Inn Express and Candyland Miniature Golf off the Parkway. So you can come across here, come down and do the walkway rest of the way to the island, or walk down to the old mill. There's a little squirrel playing. Running from me, ain't you? Got some Canadian geese up here. Wait till they get babies and they'll be hissing at you. Ain't that right, fellers? If you have any babies, just be hissing. Usually during them times, I gotta make sure I carry my walking stick, because them things attack you. They get mean. And here's the newest walking bridge they're working on right now. I don't think it's ready yet. But it's down here where you see the old Pigeon Forge mural there and the go-kart tracks. It's right across from the old Red Mall over there. So straight across from that and the arcade. So there's gonna be different ways you can get off of here to get down here on the path and come to the island. And here's where you veer off to the right. Walk up this little path here Yeah, they got plenty of tulips out here. So yeah, they got it all the way down the walking path there. Is that like a mile down through there?
We're right at a mile.
Right at a mile. So from right at a mile from the old mill. Hey, squirrel.
Can I pick her up?
We can't pick her up. We had some baby squirrels, didn't we, last year? He's running. I don't think you'll catch it. You think you can catch it? Climb that tree? You might find something else in there you might not want to find. A water snake or something. You love your squirrels, don't you? But yeah, we had a couple baby ones last year, didn't we? We raised. Mama ran over by a car, and I went out in the yard and picked them up, and we bottle fed them, raised them up, and now they're our pets. Are you trying to give me a little dance jig? That baby wasn't very happy about leaving. Landscape looks pretty out here. Daddy, I love the island. Daddy likes the island too. Always something to do in the summer months, winter months, whenever. Got Margaritaville over here. We usually eat there quite a bit. Just sit out on the patio when they have live bands out there. But yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, isn't it?
Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
There was a wasp at school and it stung me right there.
A wasp stung you
Right there.
today?
Yeah.
Well, I don't see no scar from it.
It was a big one. It was flying everywhere and it stung everything.
In the Margaritaville Motel. And we're still invaded with dinosaurs here. I don't know what the thing with dinosaurs is here in Tennessee, but it seems like anymore everything's popping up, miniature golf and different things with dinosaurs. I think it'll be more about bears. Since everybody comes here for bears. There's one of them I was telling you about. The Island of Dinosaurs. Or one of our favorite rides we do over here, but it's about every time we come is that Skyfly. 7D Sweet. Got beef jerky, Birkenstock. I had to come into the toy store. Can't walk around here without coming in here. Did you find anything?
No, but you better say that.
So if you got little kids, come in here. You can spend some money real quick. And then carry around toys around the island. Got a lot of John Deere. Got a wall of dolls, don't they? Which one's your favorite? Big bubbly eyes, ain't they? There's the battleground. Tactical laser. And there's another dinosaur. Kryptonite character store. I see those kind of stores, I think of the Big Bang Theory. This one's moving, isn't it? He's gonna get us. He's very colorful. little handbags.
I like the little puppy one over there.
The puppy one. This is the best way to shop here is window shop. And there's that big rock candy kitchen. Who's winning? You or the bear? The bear is? Yep, apple barn puzzles. But I wish I had the patience to sit down and do a puzzle on those cold winter days. Surely you could find a puzzle you'd like to do if you're a puzzle builder anyway. They got puzzles all through this place. Wow. A lot of games. You got the fall ones, the pumpkin. Got some Indian puzzles. Aviation. Republican Party. I like that train one. Well, both of those trains. I like trains though. There's an old diner one. Look there, Naomi. The whole floor's a puzzle. See if you can fill them up there.
Nope.
You can't fill them up.
Let's just do this 1,000 puzzles.
1,000 puzzles.
1,000 pieces.
Which one's gonna be your favorite puzzle in here? You have to find it for me. And don't find no 1,000 puzzle. Mommy found one that was cool. Let's go see which one it is. The diner.
The dairy swirl.
Yeah, ice cream palace. Yeah, I was pointing out these diner ones here are pretty neat.
This one.
Which ones you picked, Naomi?
Sunlighted Diner.
Sunliner Diner? No.
It looks like it.
Looks like it, don't it?
Can I have
See,
it?
naturally you want the dogs.
Can I have it?
No, we're not. No. Here, put
Oh.
that where you got it.
Bless her heart. Naomi's favorite, Wizard of Oz. I bet they don't have K-pop. You think they got K-pop? Gotta show this one off. The Golden Girls. Everybody's got to have a little Golden Girl in their life. I was going to also say there's some football stadiums too.
That'd be months of progress for us.
Got Alabama, Indianapolis Colts, Kansas City. Hey, there's a John Lennon puzzle and Kiss. Now I guess we're over here in the games. National Park Monopoly. Monopoly. Risk. Used to play that one in school. Used to have one, I don't remember what it was. Took us forever to play it in history class, but they had a game like Risk, but it was about airplanes and fighter jets, military, the ships and all that, but I don't know what that game was called. These are 3D puzzles here, Harry Potter. We'll be heading down that way towards the end of the month. Universal Studios, Orlando. What kind of puzzles are these? 3D puzzles here. You got Marvel up there and Disney characters. Yeah, I got plenty of Disney. There's some yo-yos. I collect yo-yos. I buy a lot of yo-yos. If somebody asks me what I want for Christmas or a birthday, I say yo-yo. Or some kind of puzzle pieces, mind puzzles. What are you playing at, Naomi? A puzzle? Building some Looks like Tetris stuff. Did you find anything, Ma? No, but you're yawning. Gonna go away and get us some lunch or supper here at Dick's Last Resort. Once we get a hold of Naomi, she's over at the merry-go-round. It was pretty funny because the waiter was rude to Naomi and she didn't know what to think. She's like, that's pretty rude. It's like, that's what they do here. Here's the appetizers. We order us some fried pickles. Probably ended up getting a cheeseburger with some chili cheese fries here. Got our fried pickles, dipping sauce. And I'll probably end up getting the bacon cheeseburger with chili cheese fries or the big 12-inch wiener. Hey, brother.
What?
I didn't get my extra sauce, man.
I'll grab it. I told them I don't do that one.
Sitting outside out here under the patio, beside the Ferris wheel,
And there's gonna be a
the carousel. What did you say, Naomi?
there might be a tornado.
Yes, might be a tornado breakout soon, they said. We're under a tornado watch and hail advisory. Show you around outside of Dick's Last Resort. Uh-oh, making everybody sick. Oh, Mama drinking her healthy water. I've got to have my Coke. I don't spit or swallow. I gurgle.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I will embarrass you in front of the entire restaurant if you don't.
I should
got a weird shaped
have
head,
been
bro.
swallowed.
Alright, take your hat off.
Oh, there's mine. It's not very good. We're wearing white hats here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? There's my bacon cheeseburger. Looks really delicious.
Thank you.
Looking good so far?
Looks good so far. Got the chili cheese tots.
Wasn't supposed to be that.
We're supposed to be that.
No, it was a sandwich.
Oh, it's a sandwich? So you got chicken Alfredo then instead of a sandwich.
And
That's the water show.
No, challenge, it's ready. But who's old dinosaurs? Jesus. Right? Fragile. Waiting. The right moves to finish. Takes its first breath. The moment of life. A spark of life in a world ruled by titans.
We're going to head on out of here. They got the tornado watches going on now. So we're going to try to get to the car. Got a mile and a quarter walk here back. But I'll bring you a better tour next time on the next video. Only got rain coming in late. Got a black cat down there. It's a pretty black cat, isn't it? Oh, ain't taking no cat home.
There's another one
Is there another one down there?
under there. Just about there.
Oh,
I'm gonna grab the black cat.
you want the kitty cat?
I want it.
Yeah, there's what, 2, 3, 4 cats down there roaming with the ducks. Usually don't see cats over here in this area. All you see is ducks.
I don't
Pretty
need-
trees, the mountains off in the clouds. Yeah, there's nothing like eating and then walking your food back off. That way, when you go home, go to bed, get you an ice cream, watch a good TV show. Here lately, we've been watching Man with a Plan. That's a pretty good little sitcom. It has Joey from a Fringe show. If y'all ain't ever watched it, check it out. It's funny. It's a good family sitcom. As the sun sets. I didn't get to show you any of the pretty trees that were in bloom. There was a bunch back there at the island back there. You on top of the mountain? I should have. Give me a skip. Oh, what piece this is. Great little place to come and sit down. Listen to the water. All it is, it's missing you guys. Seen quite a few people fishing tonight. As I'm showing you nobody fishing. Yeah. There's a red bud popping here. Starting to pop. Yeah, Naomi had to bring her iPad so she can walk and dance. Got a trolley stop here. Better watch, you might fall down from there. Won't you dance down those steps? Where you at, Naomi?
Look behind us.
What's behind us? Yeah, she's getting dark, isn't she?
A tornado.
A tornado? Think we're gonna get any hell with it?
Come
Yeah.
up here real quick.
Come up here.
Come up here. So, come up here. Where is it? Okay.
Oh,
So,
I don't.
when we get home, we're gonna like, when we get to the car, we're gonna get it fast. Drive home fast, get everything we needed to the basement, get tape the
You think tape's gonna keep the tornado out?
Yeah,
It works.
it works. I watched the tornado.
Walk under the bridge. I always have this all lit up for Christmas underneath of here. Hello, little girl.
Hi. There's a tornado. We're very scared. So, hi. There's a tornado and we're very scared. So, we're gonna get done to get to the car, and then we're gonna go over there and play for a little bit, and then we're gonna go home, get ready, go down to the basement, and get packed.
Get packed for what?
Going down for food, drinks, and more stuff that we need. So,
In case there's a tornado.
yeah, I know there's a tornado. Look behind us.
It's getting dark, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's a tornado. That's what happens.
That's what happens when it warms up and there's a cold front coming through.
And we're gonna play a little game before we go to the house. But I'm pretty sure we'll be fine for right now. And down there, it was getting very dark. The whole music part was closing. And I was like, dude, how are they closing without us? Okay, so,
Say, check out my channel too.
and I'm not even wearing a shirt underneath this.
Yeah.
And I'm getting hot.
Say, check out my channel, Naomi Smoky Mountain Adventures.
What Dad said, he's the boss around here.
He's the boss around here, that's right.
And Mommy.
And Mommy.
Check out Mommy.
You gotta check out Mommy. There's Mommy.
Here's Mommy.
Check out Mommy's channel. What's her channel?
I don't have a channel.
And Daddy's
It's our channel.
Oh, ow.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough this evening. Took you along the waterway up to the island and back. Don't forget, tomorrow I'll be at Dollywood for the grand opening event for the Pass Holders Day. So we'll see what I can bring you tomorrow, and maybe we'll get to see Dolly in person. But until the next video, guys, God bless, and don't forget, we love you. See you on the next one. This video is over.